My name is David Charboneau. I'm CTO of OpenTeams. We are building a social network and a marketplace for open source software. We had developed an internal prototype of OpenTeams at Quonsite, and we needed to kind of take it to the next level. So we brought Redwerk on to take OpenTeams from that internal prototype and get it to a place where we could launch it as a product. And we did that over initially just 2 months, launching in July of 2019. After that, we worked closely with the Redwerk team to continue to expand capability on the platform and introduce new features, ultimately getting to about 10,000 users in February of 2020. We had an opportunity to meet one of the executives in the company early on, and that's how we became aware of Redwerk. Looking at the technology stack that Redwerk was using, it matched very nicely with what we had been developing and intended to carry forward. And looking at the portfolio, we were really impressed by the style for the sites that had been developed, and in early conversations, the approach to listening to the requirements, stating the requirements back felt both very familiar because it's how we would do things at Quonsite, but also felt very comforting. It gave me the impression that what I was asking for was understood, which always increases the probability of getting what you asked for. Very happy with project management from Redwerk. The thing that impressed me the most was the consistent diligence in making sure that a requirement or a need was well understood. And then even after elaborating on the requirements with the project manager, they would come back to me with insights from the team. So it wasn't just the project management experience, but also how project management collaborated with the development and design teams. I think they did very well. And the thing that made me most happy was the feedback that I would get from the team. So I made sure to consistently ask for their opinion on approaches. I might suggest a way to do things, but ultimately I wanted the team to feel empowered to take things in a technical direction that made the most sense to them, as long as it made sense to me. And we had a great collaboration there. So I felt that even when posed with a challenge, they rose to the challenge and met the need. I really enjoyed it. I think that the team worked really well together. They were very diligent in considering what not just what I had asked for, but what we were trying to accomplish with the product. So it wasn't just doing color by numbers. They provided feedback, provided ideas in the context of the overall goals of the project, which I really appreciated.